Hi, Namaste children. How are you all? Are you fine? Okay children. In my previous class, I had explained to you first lesson, the mango tree. Okay, today I am going to explain it once again, and after my explanation, I am going to discuss questions and answers of that first lesson with you all. Okay, so please look at your screen. Yes, I hope you are all looking at your screen. See here, Vasu, there were 4 friends. Their names were Vasu, one who wore the specs in that picture. Look at that picture in your textbook. So, that specs boy is Vasu, and blue dress girl, she is Payal, and boy, one who hold that stick in his hand, he is Amir, and last that girl, she sat and she is having a mango, she is Leela. These 4 are friends, Vasu, Payal, Amir and Leela. Vasu, Payal, Amir and Leela. These are the 4 friends. They were playing under a mango tree. Under a mango tree. So, when they were playing under a mango tree, their Amir said that, what fun it is to play here. It is very happy to play under this mango tree. Like that, Amir said to his friends. Then Leela, one who is having mango, she hold mango in her hand and she is having that pink dress girl. So she is Leela, and she says that yes, it is very cool here under the mango tree. Under this mango tree, the climate of this place is very cool. Like that, she said. And now what happened? Amir says, Amir is looking at the tree and he says that, looking at mango tree and he says that, do you see a nest? I think there are baby birds in it. He is showing his finger toward the branch of that mango tree and he is told to his friends, oh my dear friends, do you see a nest? I think there are baby birds in that nest or in it. It means nothing but nest only. In that nest there are baby birds, it seems. Like that Amir says. Now here Vasu replies. Vasu, that specs boy, is shouting and telling that, yes, I can hear chirp, chirp. Yes, that sound I am hearing. Chirp, chirp sound I am hearing. Like that he says. Then there was a girl, so that her friend, she is Payal, blue dress girl. So Payal, she replies that, here, she is the Payal. Okay, she replies that, hey, that mango is about to fall. Maybe that mango will fall down. So catch it, like that. Payal, she was shouting. Okay, now what happened? Next we can see it. Yeah, look at it. Suddenly it begins to rain. Suddenly it begins to rain. So it means it started raining. It means it was raining there. Now it is raining. It is raining. Look at it here. It is raining. Downside you can see here. Downside. All the children together they say it is raining, but we are not wet. Wet is nothing but it is the opposite word of dry. Okay. So we are not wet. Like that, all the children together they were shouting. We have a big umbrella, or we have a big and green umbrella. It was green and in the size it was very big. There was a big green umbrella in their hand. So they hold that umbrella and they stood under the umbrella so that they are not wet, they were dry. It means that is why they were shouting like this. It is raining, but we are not wet. We have a big green umbrella. Like that all the children they were shouting. Then at home, At home, what they were doing? There were children, those all the children, Payal, Vasu, Amir, and Leela, and their parents, for example, grandparents and father and mother, all together, they were having fruits, mango fruits now. That was mango season. Okay, so they brought mangoes from the tree, they collected from the uh, place where that mango tree was, and they brought it to their home, and all they sat together and they were eating mango fruits. Here, children, see, in their hands are their mango fruits. Look at them. Here, mango pickles, pieces, they cut those mangoes into pieces and they are having. So, they were having. So, these children, one of that Payal she is telling that, oh, such sweet mangoes. You know that mango fruits, always they will be sweet in their taste. Okay, sweet. They will be sweet always. And when they will be ripe, so it means before becoming fruits, they will be sour. They will be sour. When they become fruit, they will be sweet. So these mangoes are sweet, like that she is telling. And Leela also, she is shouting, yes, yes, these mangoes are sweet. Here it is there. Okay, she is there here, that Leela, and her grandfather, their grandmother, and their papa, father. So they are all there, they are having mango. And grandmother is saying that your grandmother planted that tree, you are brought these mango fruits from that tree, no? It means that tree, it was planted it was planted by your grandfather. Like that, grandmother was telling to her grandchildren. Then father, here is their father. Father is saying that, I remember I helped him. When my father was sowing that seed, mango seed, I remember that I helped him. Like that he replied. Then children, they wanted to plant a tree now because their grandfather has planted a mango tree. Like that, they wanted to plant a same tree, mango tree. So then they asked to their father, Papa, we wanted to plant a mango tree. Like that. Daddy, we too want to plant a tree. Like that they shouted. And here Leela is here. She is telling that Leela. It will give us fruits. Like that Leela shouts. And Payal also shouts, it will give us shade. Shade means shadow. Mango tree, it is very helpful to us. It will give all the types of things to us. For example, it will give shadow to us, and it will give shelter to the birds and squirrels, ants and other animals. They will be living on the tree. It means trees are giving us, they are useful to us in many ways. Okay, they are helpful to us in many ways. And Leela, she is replying that, and it will be a home for birds and squirrels. So trees are the homes for birds and squirrels. So okay, here we go. It means their father is replying for their questions. Yes, okay, here we go. We can go out of our house, and in the garden we can dig a hole, small hole. We can dig the ground, soil we can dig, and after digging a hole, so plant a mango seed in it. Inside that we can put a mango seed, and daily we need to watering. So after sowing the seed, if we left, it will not grow. It means daily we need to water the seed or water the plant where we sown that seed. Okay, then only here you can see here they dug a hole. All together they dug a hole, and they brought a mango seed, and they sow that mango seed into that hole. After that, they brought water, and they are watering that seed. So after few days, it will grow as a mango plant. It will become sapling, small plant, sapling. Later it become big tree. After becoming big tree, it will give us mango fruits, and also it will give shadow to us. It will give shadow to animals like cow, buffalo, sheep. Those all they can get shadow during summer season. And also trees, they give us oxygen. We are breathing, no? Breathing inside and breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. For this, we need oxygen. this oxygen will be given by the trees. So that is why trees are very, very important for our life. We should not cut the trees. Okay. So this is the explanation of this story, and we need to plant in your garden. If you have garden children, it is one of the work activity for you all. Please take any one seed of the plant. Ask your parents to get the seed and plant that seed in the dig a ground in the garden, dig a hole in the garden, and please sow that seed in that garden and daily water it and observe the growth of that plant, how it is growing daily. Okay, will you do that? So I hope you will do this work, do this activity with the help of your parent. Okay, all the best, do it. And later after this, so there is a part that exercise part. Look at it, circle the correct words. First one, read and understand in that. Amen, circle the correct words. First one, it is there. The children played under a dash tree. There are two options. One is pear, second one is mango. Under which tree those children were playing? Can you tell that? Tell to your parents. They were playing under a mango tree. Those children were there, no? Four, Amiru, Payallu, Leela. Okay, these children, they were playing under mango tree or pear tree? Yes, you are right. They were playing under a mango tree. Mango, that we have to circle. First one, here I circled mango. Like that you circle. Second one, Vasu could hear dash sound. What it means? There was a nest on the branch of that mango tree, and he heard what sound? Chirp chirp sound or mew mew sound? Mew mew sound. Mew mew sound is nothing but it is sound of the cat. Cat will make this sound. Mew mew, like that it will make. And chirp chirp sound will be done by the birds. So what was there? There were baby birds. Which sound they can make? Can you tell? Can you guess? Yes, chirp chirp sound. Second one is chirp chirp sound. Vasu could hear chirp chirp sound. Next, third one. The mangoes were dash. They were salty or sweet? Mango fruits, they were sweet or salty? Can you guess? It is one of the easy question for you, I think. Yes, very good. They were sweet. Sweet you have to circle. Fourth one. Payal and Leela wanted to plant a dash tree. Which plant they wanted to? They asked for their father's help, no? Father's help. They asked their father to help them to sow the mango seed. It means not pear seed, that is mango seed. Yes, mango tree they wanted to plant. So that is why mango you can circle. Last one, fifth one. Trees give us dash, shade or light. Whether plants and trees they are giving us light? No, plants and trees are not giving us light. What they give us? They give us shade or shadow. ನೆರಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, shadow, shade. They give us shade. And last, then say B main, you can come to the B main. Who said these words? Right. So there are four children in that story. Here they given some sentences. That sentence was spoken by whom? Okay. Who spoke that sentence? That we have to mention here. For example, what fun it is to play here. Under the mango tree they were playing, and who told this sentence there? Can you tell? Yes, it is Amir. What fun it is to play here. It is the sentence told by Amir. Second sentence, yes, it is very cool here. Like that, who said this sentence in the story? Can you guess? Yes, it is Leela. Third one, yes, I can hear chirp chirp, this sound. Okay, yes, I can hear chirp chirp. This sentence was told by whom? Yes, can you guess? Yes, it is Vasu. Vasu you have to write. Spellings you see, A-M-I-R, Amir, L-I-L-A, Leela, V-A-S-U, Vasu. And last one, yay, that mango is about to fall. Catch it. Who said this? Blue dress girl. Who is she? Blue dress girl is Payal. Very good. So, P-A-Y-A-L, Payal. Like this you have to write. Then here words wise it is there. Sound A. A sound is A. It is A letter. In the alphabet, first letter is A. That's sound. What is the sound of A? The sound of A is A. A. At. Bat. See. See mean you can see that. See these words aloud. At. Bat. Cat. Mat. Rat. Can. Fan. Man. Pan. Van. Everywhere we used A in the middle. So first letter of the at is A. A. B-A-T. Ba. Ba. It means A. A sound is included with B. B plus A. Ba. Okay. C plus A. Ka. C means its sound is K. A means A. Ka. It become M. M. Okay. M and A. Mat. Rat. C-A-N. Can. C-K-A. Can. F-A-N. Fan. M-A-N. Man. P-A-N. Pan. V-A-N. Van. Like that. Sound of the A will be always A. A. Is it clear? Apple. Apple. A will be A. And here 4 words are there. Those pictures you see and write their names. D main. Look at these pictures. Look at the pictures. Fill in the boxes to complete the words. Like this it is there. So please complete those. So by seeing I completed here, you also try. Which fruit it is, that's name you write here. Which picture it is, that name you write here. First one is mango. Second one is bird. Third one is nest. Fourth one is tree. So these can be completed in your textbook. It is homework for you all. Please complete main A, main B, main C and main D in your exercise part. This is today's homework. I hope I am clear. So I will see you in my next class. Okay. Take care all of you. Have a nice day children. Bye.